snowing right here in California. It's pretty windy today too. It's early. It's barely like 6 o'clock. 6 something. Getting some snow right here at Flying J. I guess it's kind of cool. I mean, if it's going to be cold, it might as well snow, right? Got to go buy some groceries right now. Just got out of the gym. See the truck right there. And then I'm gonna go check into the office and see what they got going on when I get back to the yard. It's cold out here today, dude. The temperature dropped. Not only was it raining, but the temperature dropped, dude. Hello. So that's what's going on right now. Just hopped out of the gym. Now I'm going to Walmart. And I hope I don't have to drive up a mountain, but then again, I kind of do. That way I can get it on film. Like I said, dude, I really wish my company wasn't tripping on having a dash cam and, you know, uploading that footage. Because right now is the time when you see like snow on the mountain. Look, let me get this on camera. See what I mean, dude? There's snow on the mountains right now. It's looking really beautiful. You see it over there too. Man, I wish I could get that on camera from my truck, man. So I'm gonna be real with you guys for a second and show you what I got going on right now. This little mess. So when I microwave food, I gotta bring my microwave down from here, from where it, you know, it should be, to down here, because that's where they put my inverter. On all the other Freightliners in my company, I've seen the inverter behind the passenger seat. But for me, they put it behind the driver's seat, and the microwave doesn't sit there. So I haven't bought an extension cord, you know, to go across right here. So this is my little rinky-dink setup. I put it on top of my little cooler and wire it into my, or plug it into my inverter. So I'm eating some lunch right now. Grocery shopped, so I'm stocked up for a good 2 weeks or something. Always keep food on you guys. You never know if your truck's gonna break down, if you gotta lay over somewhere where there's not a truck stop or whatever. You always wanna keep an inverter. It's important to have an inverter because you need to eat food. You don't need to be going to sleep hungry out here. And keep food on deck. Food, water, right? Knowledge. Ty Lopez. So that's what I got going on right now. I'm about to grub, lunch, then head to the yard and do my thing, right? Go check in. So I got my hood popped. And I'm gonna go ahead and check some oil, because it's been a minute. And after that, I gotta go to LA tonight. So I pulled it out, wiped it down. Let's see what the result is. Let's see if we need to get some oil in here or not. And I'd say we're pretty good. Turn it around. That's what you want to see. So I picked up my trailer. It's really scratched up on the right side. Somebody scratched this trailer up real nice. I wish I could set up a dash cam right here. It would be below the dash, so it would be compliant. So I could show you guys and put it on the video, you know, of all the beauty that's out there. Just right here in the state of California. But rules are rules, and this company's like, no, it's safety. So, because of this YouTube, I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna be sticking around with this company past my 2-year. But yeah, I'm going to LA right now, going to the drop. I got LA, and then I'm gonna bring something back from LA, backhaul. I'll show y'all what that is. I'm pretty sure I vlogged that already. Right here vlogging at the truck stop. It's snowing out here. Let's get some of it on camera. See it? It's snowing over here. Snow, dude. It's snow snowing right here in California. It's pretty windy today too. It's early. It's barely like 6 o'clock. 6 something. Getting some snow right here at Flying J. I guess it's kind of cool. I mean, if it's going to be cold, it might as well snow, right? We don't always get to experience snow in California, so when we do, it's pretty good. Look, I got a glove on. This hand is just raw, dude. Throw the glove on real quick. Yeah, it's straight winter time in California. We had a good week with like some decent weather, then boom, temperature dropped. Look, it's barely 6 o'clock and it's like 29 degrees over here on the mountain. So later tonight, it's gonna drop at least to like maybe 20, possibly even 15 up here on the mountain. Maybe we'll get some like heavier snow to where they gotta shut it down. I might be stuck in LA tonight. But yeah, wintertime in California, that good snow. I'm gonna get back in my truck. So I'll freeze to death out here. See what vloggers go through? What we do to give you guys content? Sit in the snow. You can't really see it right now. But back when there was light, you could see it. Snowing out here. Hey, isn't that nice? The mountains all like Colorado rockied out winter. And down here in LA, they're just like, 50 degrees. But I think it's 51 or something. My hands aren't feeling like, you know, they're about to start frostbiting off or nothing. It was a cool ride. Man, I wish I could have gotten it on camera. Snow coming down, snow all over my truck and my windshield. But out here in LA now, right here at the Walmart. Gonna get unloaded, then I gotta go do the back haul. That's what's going on. That's what's going on right now. It's like a shopping center right here in Pico Rivera. That's what's going on right now. So I'm sitting there on the loading dock, getting my truck unloaded, and I see a pallet full of this Cactus Cooler just sitting there. I'm looking at it, I'm like, man, the marketing got me. I was like, man, I bet that's a really good soda. I never tried it before. So I bought the whole 12-pack because I couldn't find it sold by itself. So I was like, oh, I guess I'll just buy the whole 12 and maybe leave the rest of it in the break room when I get back to the yard because I'm trying to cut down this week. So let's go ahead and I put it on my social media, but I want to do it again right here for the tube. Follow me on Instagram, by the way. I'll put the thingamajig right there. You can hit me up on Instagram, and I don't bite, I write back. I'm not like that. Oh, dude, it smells amazing. Whoo! Dude, I'm addicted. I'm addicted. It smells so good it could be a perfume, all right? Fire. Cactus Cooler. A1, baby. Back at it. Now I'm at the back hall, and it looks like they want me to go into that dock right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm parked over there. I'm going to swing around, go forward, and come back. And kind of like, you know, wiggle it into right there. Easy money. So I got my paperwork. I really feel confident that I can make it over the mountain, but just that 1% chance that you run over black ice or someone else skids out next to you, in front of you, and hits you, another truck driver. Because those are the conditions tonight. So I'm gonna play it safe and head for Santa Clarita. It's close enough. I could still drive back to the yard and get a decent load tomorrow, so That's what I got going on right now. I know I could do it. I'm not gonna test my luck. You know, they say it's blizzard conditions, and you know it's better to be smart and not even mess around. Yeah, there's the proof, right there. Still got snow on the truck, a little bit. I drove through that blizzard. Yeah, look at my truck, dude. I'm still caked out. Look at that. Proof in the pudding, dude. See this? I drove through a blizzard. I was gonna stop in Santa Clarita, but I was like, you know what? The freeway's still open and trucks are going up there. I didn't want to, you know, wuss out. I wanted to be a real truck driver. I feel like I did some real man shit tonight. Driving through that blizzard. I feel like I earned some stripes as a truck driver. Man, whoever, all right, so the date, what's the date? February 24th, 23rd going into the 24th. If you were on the Grapevine or Tehachapi tonight, I salute you, man. You're a real truck driver. You're a badass. You ain't no wuss. Maybe they ran out of hours. Maybe they were afraid. We weren't afraid. We did it. We knocked that out. We drove through a blizzard. Man, I wish I could have got that on camera, dude. It was crazy. It was caked up bad. It was, when the sun comes up, the Grapevine right behind me, all white, all white. The whitest it's ever been in a while. Even whiter than last winter. Last winter we had some snow, but dude, I drove through a straight blizzard in a semi truck, 53-foot trailer. See the proof right here. 53-foot trailer, just short of 80,000 pounds loaded. Reefer, so there's fuel on it too, which makes it more dangerous. I drove through a blizzard, man. I did it. I drove through a blizzard. I feel real proud of myself. This isn't the first time I've driven through snow. I've driven through the Colorado Rockies. But at the time of year that I drove, it was snowing at the top. The Grapevine, coming back from LA later at night like I did, it was snowing from the bottom right out of Santa Clarita all the way to Cajon right here, honestly. So I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I'm obviously gonna finish this load. I just wanted to stop and look at all the snow on my truck, dude. Look at that. That's sick. Get the whole thing. Thumbnail action right here. I drove through a blizzard. Show did that. Follow me on Instagram, man. Augustine Ramos _ I'll holler back at you, and make sure to subscribe. If you watch this video, man, smash that subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. Make sure you like the video, right? Tell all your friends to like the video. Peace out, man. Y'all have a good night. That's the blizzard of February 24th, 2023, and I drove my baby through it. We made it just fine, man. Did it.